championship matchup. Despite this brought to you by Yonet Sports Promotions, Verano Boxing Promotions in coordination with the city government of Valencia City, Bukidnon, headed by City Mayor Azucena Panis Huervas. All professional boxing fights are sanctioned by the Games and Releases Board Chairman, Attorney Richard S. Marin, Commissioners, Attorney Manuel Plaza III, and Angel Bautista, and the Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports Division, Ms. Jacqueline Cacho Ornido. This fight is sponsored by CF Ride Corporation, Waymaker Logistics, MM Enterprises Incorporated, Bukidnon Ultimate Fighting Championship, Robinson's Mall Valencia, Venom, Optimum Resources Corporation, Amlan, Governor O'Neill Roque, Ms. Ezra Bibito, Bukidnon Police Provincial Office, Joe Felix Hilti, Development Corporation, and Board Member Dodo Rosal, the 4th District of Bukidnon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our fighters as they make their entrance into the ring. First, please welcome Kenneth Rapista.
Hindi mo panarapat. Hindi mo referee. Hindi mo referee. Gilbert. Bert! Ako'y knockdown. Jal! Bray! Official. Referee. Wala sa kamay. Ganang kamay.
Our referee tonight's matchup, Delbert Pellegrino, judges the World Dancing And now, please welcome his opponent, J.R. Alemia.
Look.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our first professional fight of the evening. This is scheduled for 4 rounds of boxing in the super flyweight division. And now, let's introducing our judges of this fight will be Ruel Dempsey, Nestor Cabecino, and Jalen Lopez. And our referee of this match is Mr. Delbert Pellegrino. And now, introducing to you first, the fighter from the blue corner, wearing the black with yellow trunks, official weight 116.5 pounds. He has a professional record of 0-5-1 and looking for his first professional win. He is the Valley Pride of General Santos City, introducing J.R. Alemia. And his opponent, the fighter from the right corner, wearing the white, red, and yellow trunks, official weight 113.5 pounds. He has a professional record with 1 victory, with undefeated, with 1 of his wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, he is the Valley Pride of MP Boxing Team Davao City, introducing Kenneth El Rapido Rapista. 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Knockdown. Oh. Balik ko Timekeeper! Karantas angkol. Pre, abay na lang ka. Kasi mo sikat nag-sit ba?
Hindi naman, tapos ano? Samahan mo.
Abay lang, maging sikat. Dali, magkuhin mo. Kaya
Start of the first round.
Yes, wala po. Buang ujo na.
Sir.
Buang ujo na.
Kuha, sir.
istorya? Ayo, Bapak dengar istorya. Saan?
Tay, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 1 minute 57 seconds in the very first round, we have a winner via knockout, Tere El Rapido Rapista! And our next fight will be Kawin Lee versus Bill Osaraga.
Gilbert ya po na.
Julian next kay Kwan man.